Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. This is the 50th anniversary being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. Today I'm going to be taking you through the 270 SDX Sea Ray. This boat has beautiful lines. It is also powered with a single 350 Mercury 4-stroke engine. Look at the beautiful upholstery. A lot of nice seating, sun pad in the back, ski pylon for your water activities, an abundant amount of seating with storage underneath. You do have a nice table that drops in. As we move forward to the helm, you can see a beautiful Simrad, GPS, chart plotter, depth finder, and also a stereo. We come a little bit forward to the bow of the boat. We have beautiful cushions and also an optional bow table. This boat is also equipped with a nice size head, sink, which also converts into a shower. For more information on the 270 SDX Sea Ray, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you and see you on the water.